What's up? Traveling hard. Another adventure. This time, we're in Vegas. Which you probably know because you clicked on the video. So we're going to spend about 3 days, 2 nights here. Up here at the Venetian. I don't think Erica want to be on camera right now. She got to get herself together. Keep you locked. See you later. All right, so we're here at the Grand Lux Cafe. Come grab something to eat. So we're in a bit of a dilemma because she's on a strict diet. So she's trying to find, meals that can help her, not break her diet.
Continue to lose weight.
Yeah, continue to lose weight. And so now I need to be on one too, but somebody got to splurge here, so hey, you gotta have a good time. Hey, we in Vegas. You gotta have fun here.
So I get to be the mama in Vegas. But it's okay, because he always the daddy to me.
So this is our first time actually eating here, so this will be an experience for us. A lot of food on this menu.
It's a lot.
So when we find out what we're gonna eat, we'll touch back in with y'all.
What can I get started for us today?
Am I able to get a Southwest salad?
Yeah, we can do that for you.
Yeah. With some extra sauce on the side?
Extra sauce on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. For you, sir?
What would you recommend?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Everything is good, so it's kind of hard, but a couple of my favorites. I really like the crispy caramel chicken, kind of like our version of orange chicken. And then I also really like the chicken, bacon, and avocado. Those are my top 2 favorites.
Oh, okay. Chicken. I tried the chicken.
The chicken, bacon, and avocado?
I got the avocado,
The crispy caramel chicken?
Crispy caramel chicken, I'll try that.
Perfect. Did you want that with white or brown rice today?
Brown is fine.
Brown rice? Gotcha.
I get some pot stickers also.
What was that?
Pot stickers.
Pot stickers as well? Gotcha. Did we want those out first for you guys?
Yeah.
Perfect. And any bread and butter to get us started off as well? Some bread and butter?
That's bread and butter. Oh, that's what you can't eat.
I got it.
No.
Alright.
I'm running for my life.
Do you want to keep one menu just in case?
No.
No? Alright. Thank you. I'll get that working for us.
All right, thank you. So I got some pot stickers. One is I really love, like, for the Chinese food. I love pot stickers. These are pretty good. I think these are fried. They're grilled. They're really good. There's a dip of sauce. Real good. Okay. Unless you gotta try one. Says you want to eat one.
I'm not going to eat one. Well, you have one.
See. What's your opinion? Camera's on. I guess you like
I'm trying to suck every bit of juice out of it.
Savor the flavor, huh?
Pardon my Then we have the crispy caramel chicken. Is there anything else we need at the moment that I can get for you guys?
Can I get some more of this sauce on the side?
What was that?
Some more of this sauce, whatever the sauce
Oh yes,
is?
that's gonna be this.
Oh, that's
for you.
okay.
Yes, yeah, I got you. Enjoy, you guys.
All right, thanks. What you got?
All right, I got the Christmas chicken, with the brown rice. You got with the Southwest chicken salad with some avocado, guacamole, with some more just on the side. And see how this tastes. So this was recommended by the server.
Is that chicken?
Pretty good. And you get quite a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna be taking this back up to the room.
Yeah, so
I don't even know for what, because it ain't even nobody go ahead up there.
so yeah. If you don't know about Vegas, most of the rooms will have microwaves. Some don't really have refrigerators. Or they do have refrigerators, got that stuff in it that you have to pay for. But yeah, this is good. This is a lot of food though. All right, so we're about to head to the -5 ice bar experience. So we got the VIP experience. So that comes with entry to the ice attraction, gloves, a hat, and a fox fur coat, and 2 ice cocktails, a digital photo, like I said, I got a souvenir hat.
Hey.
It's up to you.
I got the black. All right, so got the fur, fox fur, black. She got the white fur. So got the skelly on. So it's -5 ice bar. So basically just a bar inside an ice cave for the most part. Ain't too bad either. Probably a little colder. So yeah, chairs in here. Ice tables. So we inside the bar. It's cold in here, but the drinks before is warm you up, so she's all bundled up. Looks like $1 million in a white mink. It's a fox meat, but still. I got the black, those gloves. So that's how. So this is how we get our drinks. Give us these cards. Oh yeah. So they give you these cups. You gotta be careful because I just spilled my drink. But you feel me? The cup is made out of ice. I thought it was a glass cup, but it's completely made of ice. So Alright, what's up? Day 2 in Vegas. So, we planned on going to down to Fremont Street, which we're still gonna do. But we just seen Eddie Griffin. He has a residency here, out here at the Mile? What's the name?
Miracle Mile.
Miracle Mile Shops. So here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The show starts at 8:30. So if you're down here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, want to see Eddie Griffin, trust me, I've seen him before. You're gonna get your money's worth, and I'm quite sure we're gonna get one tonight. So we're gonna go check him out, and once we leave from here, we're gonna try to head down to Fremont Street, see how I feel after that. But
This is water.
she's sticking to her. She's sticking. A little. She's good. She might take a sip of some of my drink, but for the most part, she's doing good. For me. So I can't record this show, but we'll give our review of the show once we're done. All right. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
All right, we just left from seeing Eddie Griffin. What'd you think?
Ooh, I clutched my purse and pearls 25 times. At least.
He ain't for the weak at heart, but he funny. He gonna make you laugh. Even at some things you probably feel like you shouldn't laugh at.
Going to hell with gasoline draws on. He is. And he made us go too. I didn't want to go.
So, in Vegas, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you're here, go see Eddie Griffin. Check him out. Trust me, you're gonna get your money's worth. All right, we out. So what's up? Another day with Traveling to Harmony, still out here in Vegas. We just did a body fat composition in this bipod right here. I'm gonna show you. So what this is you know how you jump on the scale, or not scale, but you get your BMI. They give like a BMI reading. And so say like you're somebody that's like 6'2", 215, 20 pounds, or whatever. And they'll tell you you're obese, but you're probably really not. So everything's based on what you say, your body fat ratio?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is what this did. You know, we both got into this pod. She took our weight, height, DNA, all that other good stuff.
She didn't take no DNA.
And got on the pod and gave us our numbers and went over with us, kind of broke it down, what our
actual healthy weight is
and
versus what the other scale would tell us a healthy weight is. Pretty much what the normal BMI would consider as obese would be severely unhealthy for us, because the normal scales does not measure you accurately. It only measures what she said, the ankle to waist to your other ankle, where the bod pod measures your body all the way up and vertical from I want to say shoulder to ankle,
and
shoulder
air
to feet.
displacement.
And aero displacement, she said. So yeah, so that's what we're doing here, and I look forward to you seeing my results.
Yeah, and it's most definitely even for me, because I had an idea of a way I wanted to get to. Now I didn't realize I got like 200 pounds of just muscle. So now I got to readjust how much weight do I need to lose now. Actually, it's not as much as I feel I need to now. So that's it was very informative. I was kind of hesitant about doing this, trust me, but something said more, do it. Mm-hmm. And, you know, and learn your nose. I mean, we're getting older out here. You know, health is wealth. So, you know, as we get older, we need to take care of our bodies, watch what we eat, stay active. That's really the main thing. Just stay active. You know? But anything else you want to add to it?
No, I with my diet that Gabe Moen has me on. She was pretty much spot on as with my protein intake and the foods that I'm taking in daily to get to my weight goal. So I'm happy about that. That makes me feel even better. So not that I was questioning him, just I did message him this morning after seeing that he had the bot pod and asked him if he thought it was a good thing to do, and he gave me a thumbs up. So she's gonna give us the email to all this information. She also was very helpful with sending the different types of proteins that can be also incorporated with my diet, and I look forward to that. Like I'm on a 14, I want to say 70 caloric diet right now, or plan, but I could go up to per this test 1900, around 1900. So and I will know when it's time, when I start to feel hungrier, and that's another thing, and another reason why I have daily check-ins with Gabe is to see where I am and when I need to increase my meals or my amount of protein, so I can keep my muscle mass and not have that sickly look over my face where people just lose weight too fast. They lose muscle and they lose fat, where I want to just lose the fat. So keeping your protein up and your fat down will help you with that goal. So thank you. Have a good day.
All right. So we had some technical difficulties here. I was in a steam room and you're hearing this constant like dripping noise, so I didn't want to annoy y'all with that. But pretty much I'm just sitting here explaining. We got the Grand Canyon spa. Let's talk about all the amenities they have. We got a cold shower, hot shower. Got the hot tub. Got the warm beds. So this kind of is going pretty much a little description of that during this part of the video. So this is in a Venetian hotel. This came packaged with our bod pod that we did. So we got like a 15% discount for doing that to allow us to do this spa. So I'm on my side and Erica, she's on her side, so I got a minute with it, but they do have an area where the couples can meet up. But this is something I think, you know, essential part of a vacation is relaxing. And that's one thing I could say we did when we went to Vegas this time, is relax. Because usually when we go to Vegas, we pretty much want to go moving, partying, but we really took it easy, and it was much needed. So, in Vegas, most time check it out. In the Monte Cristo Cigar Bar up in Caesars Palace. So we got different varieties of cigars here. And they're in the humidor. So.
Do you have any questions? Let me know.
All right.
questions. What's the difference in all of these cigars? Like, how do you choose a good cigar?
You have to know. It's like going in the liquor store and trying to find like a bourbon or like a tequila.
All right, we're on our way to Hell's Kitchen. Get on some of this beef Wellington, risotto. What was the other one? And see, here's why I get cussed out. I know he ain't, but it's just fine. Bye.